Picture us rolling in a roadshow. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing on my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Kat, and I'm back with another video. So today I will be showing you guys how to properly pluck your frontal, or even if you have a closure, it's the same thing. It's the same technique. So if you guys want to achieve this look or whatever, this nice pluck natural unit, just keep on watching. But before we get into all that, this wig is from Myfirstwig. This is basically the whole packaging. They gave me a cap, a rat tail comb, a comb that I could actually use while I'm straightening my hair, or when I'm using any like heat without it melting. They gave me hairpins, hair clip, a mask, and they also gave me a wig holder. I didn't show it in this video, but you could tell by the instruction book. Like, there you go, you can see. So yeah, the wig came nice, soft, silky, no shedding. It was I really love the wig. So yeah, let's move on. So this wig definitely came pre-plucked, as you could tell. So there was not as much plucking we had to do, but we definitely went in and went ham. Okay, this is basically the side that is not plucked, and this is the side that we did so far. So the very first thing that you want to do when it comes to plucking your frontal is to section off the very first thin layer of the frontal. So just do the same step that we're doing, is just sectioning off that side, and then you want to take your hot comb and press it down. I know a lot of people use the water method, but we personally just use the hot comb because I feel like it's just more convenient, because there's times where you just want to throw on your wig after plucking, but you know, if you use the water method, you have to wait till the hair dries, or it's just extra work you don't want to do. Like, so we just avoid doing that. And okay, so let's start with the plucking. So we're basically gonna pluck behind the hair that we just recently pulled out. The number one key when it comes to plucking is to not pluck in the same area. So you want to always keep moving and moving up, moving down, moving up. You don't want to stay in one spot, because when you do stay in one spot, what is it gonna do? You're gonna cause balding, and you don't want balding. I like to personally pluck backwards, because whenever I pluck forward, I end up ripping off my lace. Girl, I done that, been there. It's not cute at all. So one thing about plucking is you may feel as if you're not really plucking. And this is a wide example of hair that actually got plucked out. So trust the process, girl. It's gonna take some time, but you getting there. Now with the tweezers, we like to use the slanted sharp part of it, because it pulls out less hair. Let's say your frontal is pre-plucked like mine's. You don't want to use the other side of the tweezer, because you're gonna pull out way more hair that you shouldn't be taking out, and you're gonna cause balding. Now we have an example. Here it is. You see how that automatically kind of balded? Like, it was just too much. And you don't want that. Let's rewind that clip one more time so that you could see. Do you guys see that sort of balding area? Like, it's not bad, but imagine you constantly plucking that same area, going up and down. You're gonna cause a lot of balding, and you don't want that. I'm telling you, you don't want it. Use the sharp part of the tweezer. It may require more work or whatever, but it's way better than using the other side. Now, if your frontal comes really full and it's not plucked or whatever, then I would suggest you to use the other side, because if you use the pointy side, it might take you a long time to pluck your unit. So I suggest use the other side. But most, like nowadays, frontals are really coming pre-plucked. So I highly suggest you guys to use this method, because you don't want bald spot, guys. Like if your frontal is like already balding, then you really wasted your money. I'm just gonna speed this clip up. We're just doing the same method that I just showed you. It's just plucking and keep plucking and keep plucking. And what's next? Keep plucking. So the next part that you want to do is section that part that you just plucked, and you want to add that with the first section. And of course, we're going to do the same step. We're going to take the flat comb and press it down so that it's not in your way, and pluck the back, the opposite side of what you lay down. So now what we're doing is just making sure that each side is even. So what we did on the left, we got to make sure the right side is even. And that's what she's doing now. She's just going back to fix her work and making sure that everything is even and all that good stuff. End result of how it looked like. This wig did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so we didn't really have to do so much labor to this wig, thank God. But I will make another follow-up video of how I installed this wig. I will be posting this on like my TikTok, so don't forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button to join my family, and hit the bell notification button so that you guys are notified whenever I drop that video. Bye.